Hi, I'm Chris Ahrens, one of the employee owners of the Gardener Supply Company. For more than 30 years, we've been helping gardeners grow healthier, more productive gardens. One of the ways to get the most from your raised bed garden is to provide plants with a consistent supply of water. Our exclusive raised bed Snip-n-Drip Soaker system provides a convenient and streamlined watering system for one raised bed. With this connector kit, you can add a second raised bed to your original system. The raised bed Snip-n-Drip connector kit includes 12 feet of half-inch garden hose and 4 angle couplers. You'll need to provide an additional half-inch soaker hose, either from your original kit or purchased separately. To install, begin by removing the end plug from the soaker hose on the original system. You'll be using it in the second bed. Use the garden hose and angle couplers to run the hose down the side of the first raised bed, across the path, and up to the second raised bed. Then run an additional section of soaker hose in the second raised bed. Install the end cap you removed from the first raised bed. Turn on the faucet and watch as the water gently drips into both of your raised beds. It's that easy.